Right. Good morning, students. Ninth class first chapter name real number. In that subtopic, that is 1.5, its name is operations are real numbers. Okay, na? In that mainly we want to discuss 5 topics. So let us see one by one. One is properties of rational number, which we learn in the 8th class. Second one is properties of irrational numbers, which we have to learn in 9th standard. Third one is operations on rational and irrationals. It is also part of 9th class. So fourth one is properties of irrationals, which are related to square roots. Fifth one, that is the last one, rationalizing factors. Shortcut we can say as RF. RF indicates that rationalizing factors. One more is smallest rationalizing factor. Its a short form is SRF. Once again, these 5 points are very important. If you learn these 5 points, then there is able to do further exercise problems. Okay, na? Right? Let us see one by one. Okay. See, what is first topic? Properties of rational numbers, which we learn in the 8th standard. Once this is the time to revise those things. See, this title I made 2 parts. One is about properties, one more side about rational numbers. In this word, in this title, rational numbers one side, properties are another side. Let us see individual details. After discussing the individual things, we have to mix together. Okay, let us see what are the properties. Yes, you know, first there are mainly 5 properties are there. Mainly 5 properties are there. Let us see first property, closure property. Closure property. Its rule is A dot circle B is equal to C. Its permanent fundamental rule is A dot circle B is equal to C. Second one, commutative property. Commutative property. Its rule is A dot circle B is equal to B dot circle A. I think understood. Third rule is associative property. Associative property. Its main rule is A dot circle of B dot circle C is equal to, right, A dot circle B of dot circle C. This is about third rule. That is associative property. It is its basic rule. Now let us go with fourth, identity property. Identity property. Its rule is, its fundamental is A dot circle E is equal to E dot circle A is equal to A. Now this is last one, inverse property. Inverse property. Now its rule is A dot circle A complement is equal to A dot circle A complement dot circle A is equal to E. I think understood. These are 5 properties and particular their rules, fundamentals, their general structures. I think okay, na? These are properties, their rules. And one more thing I want to say, what is a dot circle? Dot circle indicate that 4 operations. Instead of 4 operations, we represented dot circle. Dot circle gives that plus, minus, into, division. These 4 operations are very important. Instead of 4 operations, just I denoted with dot circle. That means A dot circle B is equal to C, that is a closure property. Then A dot circle B is equal to B dot circle A, that is the commutative property. A dot circle of B dot circle C, which is equal to A dot circle B of dot circle C. This is about associative property. Now identity property rule is A dot circle E is equal to E dot circle A, that is equal to A. Now inverse property is A dot circle A complement is equal to A complement dot circle A is equal to E. These are 5 properties. And let us see one more thing, that this side we want to discuss about rational numbers. You know very well, rational numbers are denoted with Q because of its another name is question numbers. So you know, you awareness about rational numbers which are can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are belongs to integers and Q not equal to 0. This is what the main logic, main rule about rational numbers. Once again, the numbers which are can be expressed, or else which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer, Q not equal to 0. Such numbers are known as rational numbers. Okay. Now let us see one by one. Right. Let us see, students. First topic is the properties of rational numbers. So once observe this particular table, in this lot of information there. So let us see carefully. Your attention is compulsory towards the whiteboard. Why? Because very important things. Already we learn in 8th standard. Once let us see 9th class, 8th class. It is useful for 8th and 9th class students also. Right. See, already I told you, these are properties. 5 properties are there, their rules are there. So let us apply. Yes, rational numbers. Yes, title question numbers, rational numbers, however same only. The another name of the question numbers is rational number. In this table format, rational numbers involvement there. At the same time, properties. So properties is also there in this way. Nothing but this table is connected with properties of rational numbers. Properties there as well as those properties are connected with rational numbers. Let us see one by one. Be carefully listen. So what is first closure property there? We have to fill this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6 are, sorry, 5, 4 are 20 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this 4, like this 5. Total 4, 5 is 16. Sorry, 4, 5 is 20. We have to fill 20 blanks. Okay. Carefully attention towards the class. Right. Let us see one closure property. See. Closure property. My work observe what I am doing here. A dot circle B is equal to C. A dot circle B is equal to C. This is about 1. What is according to addition? According to addition, see, addition concept, A plus B is equal to C. Minus concept, A minus B is equal to C. Multiplication concept, A into B is equal to C. Division concept, A divided by B is equal to C. According to operations, plus, minus, multiplication and division. See, okay, right. Let us choose the 2 rational numbers. Now I am taking here. Simple thing. Choose the 2 rational numbers. Now I am taking, according to my concern, I am taking 2 rational numbers. One is A position I am taking 5, B position I am taking 0. Why? Because both are rational numbers only. Right now. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0. Let us substitute in this. Substitute A value how much? 5 plus B position 0 there. 0. What is the result? 5. Whether the result is a part of the rational or not. Yes, 5 is also one of the rational. Let us go with this one. Minus concept. A minus B. A however 5 minus B value 0. Result is 5, which is belongs to Q1. Why? Because that is also one of the rational number. Let us go with the product concept. 5 into 0. Why? Because A value 5 into same B value 0. 5 into 0, 0, which is belongs to rational. Next, let us go with this one. A is equal to 5 divided by B value however 0. Now 5 divided by 0 not defined. What is that? Not defined. Mean there is a no chance to get rational number. Got it? Yeah. The closure property rule is that choose two rational numbers, then go for addition, minus, into, division. The upcoming result is C. It should be belongs to same rational number. Once again, very important. It's fundamentally its rule is choose two rational numbers, then go for addition, minus, multiplication, as well as division. Then after making operations, you will get C, no? Result, no? Result is C. See here, C position 5 there, in this 5 there, C value 0 there, here C value is not possible. So actually, we have to get number while making addition or subtraction or division or multiplication. We have to make a result compulsory, and the result should be belongs to question number or else rational number. That is the rule of closure property. Where it is possible? Yes, 5 is result is 5. C position 5. 5 is belongs to rational. That's why we have to put right symbol. Why? Because simple reason. I took two rational numbers. One is A position is 5, B position is 0. By adding, I got 5. It is belongs to rational. That's why you right symbol. Okay. Now let us go into minus concept. A minus B is equal to C. A value 5, B value 0. 5 minus 0, 5. That is C value. It is also belongs to rational number only. That's why right. Next, multiplication concept. A into B is equal to C. A value 5, B value 0. 5 into 0, 0. 0 is also belongs to rational. Right. Now let us see division concept. A divided by B is equal to C. A divided by B is equal to C. No. A value 5 divided with 0. Right now. 5 divided by 0. We are dividing with 0. So not possible. We never get result. So not defined is better answer. Why? Because dividing with 0 is not defined. Means there is no value, we cannot find the result. So that reason not defined, not determined, we cannot answer. However, we can speak. So what happened here? We are not getting C value when we are dividing 5 with 0. So that it is wrong. Through this right, wrong, we conclude that very clearly listen as a note that rational numbers or else question numbers are closed. Question numbers or rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication only, not division. Once again, purpose of this sentence statement we discussed a lot. Once again I can pass the statement, please remember. That is, rational numbers or question numbers, both are same only. You can use any one among that. Rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication only. Once again, rational numbers are satisfied the closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication only. Okay na? Alright. Right. Students, let us see about the commutative property. Mean to fill these 4 blanks. Carefully observe. What is property name? Commutative property. It's a rule, tell me. A dot circle B is equal to B dot circle A. It's a rule, fundamental rule. Under addition concept, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Under minus concept, A minus B is equal to B minus A. Under multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. Under division concept, A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Okay, these are all. Now, commutative property says that left side result is must be equal to right side. That is the main agenda of commutative property. Once again, left side answer must be equal to right side. We have to focus particular this thing. Okay, now see, under addition, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Minus concept, A minus B is equal to B minus A. Multiplication concept, A into B is equal to B into A. Division concept, A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Let us see one by one through. When A value is 5, B value is 0, consider. See, now I am substituting. A value 5 plus B value 0. Now 0 plus 5. Why? Because B value 0, A value A. Now what about this? Left side answer is 5. Right side answer is 5. Both are become same. So that reason here right symbol. Right? I think understood now. Left side answer must be equal to right side. That is the main logic about commutative property according to this rule. So however we got left answer 5, right answer 5. So that there is right symbol. Right? Now let us go with this concept. 5 minus 0. A value 5 minus B value 0. It is equal to B value 0 minus A value 5. See, once observe carefully. This is 5 answer, but come to this one. This is minus 5. What happened there? What happened? 5 equal to minus 5. Will you believe this? Is it correct? Is 5 is equal to minus 5? No. It is wrong. That means we want to say that 5 is not equal to minus 5. Nothing but we should get equal. But left side one answer there, right side another answer there. So that reason here into symbol. Now let us go with the multiplication concept. A value 5 into B value 0. Next B value 0 into A value 5. What is answer? 5 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0. What happened? Left side is equal to right side. This is what? True. This is what? True. This is false. So here right symbol of got it. Now last one, see. A value, here A value 5 divided by B position 0, which is equal to B position 0 divided by A position 5. Let us see this answer. See, 5 divided by 0, not defined. Not defined. This result is equal to 0 divided by 5, 0. What is this? It is false only, no? See, E left side answer not defined, right side answer 0. So you got very clear picture. There is no disturbance anything. Addition side true, left to right same. Subtraction side left to one answer, right one answer there. Different answers there. So division multiplication side left to right same answers. Division concept to left side one answer there, right side one other answer. So here true, here false, here true, here false. Nothing but wherever the true concept is over there, we kept right symbol, otherwise cross symbol. Through this, we conclude one thing, that rational numbers are satisfied the commutative property rule, commutative under addition, multiplication only. Once again I will repeat it. Purpose of that we are discussing a lot. What is that statement? Rational numbers are satisfied the commutative property under addition and multiplication only. These are live examples. Okay na? Right? See. Right students? See third one. What is third one? Associative property. Its rule is A dot circle of B dot circle C is equal to A dot circle B of dot circle C. In this we have to choose three figures. One is A, one is B, one is C. But here A value 5, B value 0. Let us take C value 1. Okay, no problem. However, 5 and 5, 0, 1 are 3 also rational numbers. No problem. Let us go with addition concept. Formula is A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B of plus C. Right? Once substitute in that, A value, B value, C value, C. A value 5 plus B value 0, C value 1, which is equal to, let us see this one. A value 5 plus 0 plus 1. Once this answer see 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Left side 6. Right side once answer see 5 plus 0, 5. Plus 1, 6. What happened? We got 2. Nothing but here right side. Okay, na? Very simple. Now let us go with minus concept. A minus of B minus C is equal to A minus B of minus C. Then substitute 5 minus of 0 minus 1, which is equal to 5 minus 0 of minus 1. See, let us see this answer. This answer, see 5 minus this all result is, this whole result is minus 1. Here 5 minus 0 is 5 minus 1. What is the answer? Here 5 plus 1, this is 4, this side is 6, this side 4. What happened there? Left side answer 6 there, right side answer 4 there. Those are not same. So that reason it is wrong. Nothing but it is false movement. It is false movement. Okay na? See next let us see here place not there, that's why I am erasing. Right? Minus concept is what happened? Failure. Addition concept succeeds. See now. So I am erasing because of there is no place to discuss two more concepts. Right. Now let us go with multiplication concept. A into B of B into C is equal to A into B of into C. Then A value 5 into B value however 0 into 1, which is equal to 5 into 0 into 1. Let us see. Once let us see. 5 let it be 0 1s are 0. 5 into 0 0 into 1. What happened? 5 into 0 0. 0 into 1 0. So what? Left side answer, right side answer, however both are same. So that reason here right symbol. I think understood everybody. Nothing there, I think already it is the 8th standard only. Your 9th class students try to understand. So one more operation, that is the division to fill this blank. Let us see one by one. What? 1 minute. A divided of B divided by C is equal to A divided by B of divided by C. Now let us see A value. A value 5. 5 divided of 0 divided by 1, which is equal to 5 divided by 0 divided by 1. Carefully observe. 5 divided by, this answers tell me 0 by, okay let it be. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Now 5 divided by 0 not defined. Not defined. It is divided into 1. So 5 divided by 0 not defined. It is equal to not defined. So not defined in a sense, not defined divided by 1, no? I think so here what happened? Not defined defined divided with 1. However, not defined only. But here we got left side, right side we got same. But actually it is failure concept. I want to choose the different values. I think understood. So instead of b value 0, b value 0, I want to choose a different figure. Through that we can conclude, right? Understood. This is the one situation which we got left to right, however balance. But some more values, see. Let us take b value, suppose 2. Now substitute there. 5 divided of 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 5 divided by 2 divided with 1. Let us see. 5 divided of, it is 2 divided by 1, nothing but 2 only. 5 divided by 2, I can add 5 by 2 divided by 1. Next, this however 5 by 2. This 5 by 2, it's a reciprocal, tell me. 1 only. So then what happened? 5 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. We got same only. Actually, the second situation also, left side is equal to right side only. I strongly believe that it is a failure concept. But thing is, two situations we got left is equal to right. But it is never possible. Sometimes okay, but it is not permanent. I want to choose the different values, right? Okay, right. Now, I want to take a little bit 3 figure. Now maybe there is a chance to reject this concept. Now 5 divided of 2 divided by 3, which is equal to 5 divided by 2 divided by 3. Yes, 5 divided by, here 2 by 3. This one 5 by 2 divided by 3. Now let us see this result. 5 into, it's a reciprocal, 3 by 2. What to do? Instead of division you put into sign, then make immediately it's a reciprocal, 3 upside, 2 downside. Understood? Instead of division you put into. Now multiply, it's a reciprocal, make it a reciprocal. Same manner here also, 5 by 2. Instead of division you put into. Now what is the reciprocal of 3? That is 1 by 3. Now let us see. 5 into 3, 15 by 2. Here 5 ones are 5 by 2 3 is 6. Then what happened? What happens? Left is 5 by 15 by 2, right is 5 by 6. Answers are getting different. I can got it? Okay, through this we got lot of experience. 2 cases we got left to right equal. Now this case we got left to right different. Finally one reason is enough to reject that. So this is the proper reason to reject, that is to make increase, right? Okay. Okay students, see fourth identity, that is identity property. Its rule is A dot circle is equal to E dot circle A, which is equal to A. Now in this we need just A. Here A there no need, B no need in this, C also no need. Just we have to choose A figure only from rational. So already A is equal to 5. You have to focus. Addition concept, see. A plus E is equal to E plus A is equal to A actually. Now substitute in case of A 5. Now 5 plus E is equal to E plus 5 is equal to 5. Correct? Same setting. In case of A position 5 again. Now let us see once. 5 plus E is equal to E plus 5 is equal to 5. Then what is the value? Tell me. 0. No doubt. See. Substitute 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 5, 5. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5. However, this equation is satisfied when E value is considered 0. I think understood. So, one more thing. This rule is satisfied, and through that little bit movement we got E value. E value is permanent E value under addition concept, that is 0. 0 is also one of the rational number. So finally here write symbol only. Reason, while substituting A position is 5, by replacing 5, what happened? This equation is satisfied, through that we got E value is 0. 0 is also one of the rational numbers. By these two rules, two conditions, we kept here right symbol. Let us go with minus concept. What is minus concept? A minus E is equal to E minus A is equal to A. See, substitute same concept. 5 minus E, E minus 5 is equal to 5. Then find E value. List out the E value. Think about E value. Student said they can guess E value 0. Once let us go with 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 5, minus 5. This side 5. This answer is minus 5. What is this? Left side 5. Right side minus 5. While substituting E position is 0. So 0 is not work out. Now tell me, what is the particular value of E to satisfy this equation? Okay, through that we conclude that there is no E value. We cannot identify the value of E to satisfy this equation. But we have to find the E value. But not, there is no chance. No chance. We never find the E value to satisfy this one. To satisfy this one. Under minus concept, there is no E value through this. So we cannot fill this one. We cannot fill under minus concept. That's why wrong. Why? Because simple reason we are unable to find the value of E, so that reason wrong. Next, let us go into concept. What is into concept? A into E is equal to E into A is equal to A, no. Then substitute A plus 5. 5 into E is equal to E into 5 is equal to 5, no. Then find E value. What is E value? Yes, exactly 1. See, 5 1 is 5. 1 5 is 5. See, exactly 5 E value is 1. Then what about 1? Is it rational number? 100% rational number. So that reason right symbol. Direct. Okay, na? Nothing. Try to understand. Division concept. See, A divided by E is equal to E divided by A is equal to A. Let us substitute A plus 5. 5 divided by E is equal to E divided by 5. 5 is equal to 5. To satisfy this equation, now list out the E value. Students are answer that E values are 1. Friends, let us see. 5 divided by 1, 5. 1 divided by 5, 1 by 5. Left side 5, right side 1 by 5. Wrong only, no? Left side is not equal to right side. So there is no chance to find E value. That's why here cross. And one more thing, through entire this work, we conclude that, rational numbers are satisfied the identity property under addition and multiplication only. Got it? Okay, next. Right, students, last. Okay, excellent. Everything is fine now. We filled maximum 16 blanks. Again, 4 more left. See, inverse properties rule is A dot circle A complement is equal to A complement dot circle A is equal to E. Students, let's concentrate. I am using plus symbol and into symbol only. I won't concentrate minus and division. Sir, why sir? Common, it is the student said common question only. Why? Because, really, why? Because E value, then E position we got two figures, E value 0, E value 1. In the identity property we list out E value is 0, E value is 1. 0 is under addition concept, that's why addition. And 1 is under multiplication concept, that's why multiplication. We did not find in identity property. Mainly in subtraction we did not get E value. Even division also we did not find E value. Ignore those two operations. I think got it. Very clarity. No? Under addition E value is 0. That's why we have to discuss place. Under multiplication E value 1. Okay, beta. That's why multiplication. Remaining two operations just ignore it. Leave it. Simple. Leave it. Leave it in a sense, simple thing. You fill these remaining columns. Here nothing there to discuss. Wow, excellent. Here nothing there to discuss. Super. In a sense, you blank these two blanks. Simple reason. In this fifth identity, we are unable to receive in the fourth identity that E value in the addition, subtraction concept and division concept. So that reason there is no discussion about minus, at the same time division also. Let us go with addition and multiplication. Right. Now what is the rule? A plus A complement is equal to A complement plus A is equal to E, no? Then here E position can I take 0? Why? Because under addition E position is 0, no? Good. Let us see, A into A complement is equal to A complement into A is equal to E generally. But under multiplication E position is 1. In case of E, I can take 1. What else? Carefully. Now A value is 5. Substitute in that. In this substitute. Now I am substituting carefully. A value 5. A complement we have to list out. Then A complement plus 5 is equal to 0. To satisfy this, what is A complement? Tell me. Definitely minus 5. Once concentrate. See, 5 plus of minus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0 is equal to 0. Left 0, right 0, middle 0, all 0 sum. So when A complement is considered minus 5, but thing is minus 5 is one of the rational number, 100%, no doubt. That's why right symbol. Super. Now let us go with this one. 5 into A complement, let it be, we can list out that. A complement into 5, which is equal to 1. Now tell me what is A complement to satisfy this equation. Now I am writing. A complement is equal to 1 by 5. Yes, exactly. Substitute there. 5 into 1 by 5. 5 cancel, answer is 1. 1 by 5 into 5. 5 cancel, answer is 1. So what happened? While substituting A complement is equal to 1 by 5, we satisfied this equation. So that reason A complement is 100% 1 by 5 only. There is no doubt. But thing is 1 by 5 is rational, 100% rational. So that reason it is the right symbol. Students, with exciting we fulfilled 20 blanks without any disturbance. One more thing I want to announce that rational numbers are satisfied the inverse property under addition and multiplication only. Got it? Right. Okay. Right, students. I think you got a clear idea about this format, table format, which we filled with some places right symbol, some places into symbol. Everything is covered, and I want to give conclusion things that first there are 5 properties better, and you remember their formulas also, fundamentals also. Okay, no? First one. Second thing is, according to the operations involvement, you concentrate what happened there. Some places equal symbol, right symbol there, some places into symbol there. This is I want to say second point. Now third point is very important point. Please remember. Final conclusion among this table. Rational numbers are, please note this point. Rational numbers are satisfied the closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication only. Once again, rational numbers are satisfied the closure property under addition, subtraction and multiplication only. One more important thing, fourth one. This is very important. Now fourth one I want to say that rational numbers are satisfied the closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, inverse property under addition, under multiplication only. Once again I am repeating beta. Very important thing. That is, rational numbers are satisfied the closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property and inverse property under addition and multiplication. Okay na? This is very useful video for 8th students as well as 9th class students. Okay na? Okay. Right. If you have any doubt, you comment your doubts in comment box. If you okay, right. Now special details of inverse property. Now in this we have to discuss two things. Right. Inverse property basic rule, tell me. Basic rule is A dot circle A complement is equal to A complement dot circle A is equal to E. That is the basic rule of inverse property. In this rule, we know very well here E value, two values are there. E value is 0 when it is considered place. Yes, no, beta. Previous video we discussed about it. E value is 1 when it is considered into concept. These two details we list out in identity property when we discuss it. According to the identity property, E value is 0 under addition, E value is 1 under multiplication. Now our rule is A dot circle of A complement is equal to A complement dot circle of A is equal to E. But in case of E, we have to concentrate only two operations. One is plus, one is into. Let us see plus concept. Nothing but A dot circle A complement is equal to A complement dot circle A is equal to E. No. Let us go with addition mode. What is addition concept? See? A plus A complement is equal to A complement plus A is equal to, under addition E value is 0. Under addition E value is 0. So that in case of E, I want to write 0. Here E value is 0. Okay, see, carefully observe. Here I want to discuss A plus A complement is equal to A complement plus A is equal to 0. I think there is no doubt. We want to make one important thing is A plus A complement is equal to 0 or A complement plus A is equal to 0. However you take from this, A plus A complement is equal to 0 or A complement plus A is equal to 0. We list out two concepts. However, suppose I want to ask here one thing. Here 0 there no. E is equal to 0 no. 0 is called additive identity. Actually, we want to discuss this point in identity property. We forgot that. That's why I am announcing here. 0 is called additive identity. And one more important thing. Here A there no. A and A complement there no. Yes. A plus A complement is equal to 0. So that reason A and A complements are called, we can call with called additive inverse to each other. What is the reason? A plus A complement is equal to 0. Nothing but sum of two numbers is 0. Students, please try to understand. Sum of two numbers is 0. So that reason those two numbers are called, A and A complements are called additive inverse to each other. Based on that, I want to give example C. 2 minus 2 are called additive inverse to each other. 5 minus 5 are called additive inverse to each other. I think understood. 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 are called additive inverse to each other. I think there is no doubt now. Got it? A plus A complement is equal to 0. So that reason A and A complements are called additive inverse to each other. So based on that, my example see carefully. 2 minus 2, their sum is 0. So that reason these two are called additive inverse to each other. 5 minus 5, their sum is 0. That's why these two are called additive inverse to each other. 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 are called additive inverse to each other because of their sum is 0. Here very important things, few more important things I want to say, that the additive inverse shortcut, AI in essence additive inverse of 2. What is the answer? Additive inverse of 2 10 no? Minus 2. I think understood. Next, the additive inverse of 0, tell me. Additive inverse of 0. 0 only. Itself only. Next one, the additive inverse of minus 1, tell me. Plus 1. That means minus 1, additive inverse is plus 1. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 only. That means additive inverse of 0 is the number itself. I think this is very important in this. Here I am writing few more stars. Why? Because it is very important bit in competitive exam. Right? See, careful of the star. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. That means the number itself. Except this, the additive inverse of any figure, the result is it's a negative figure. I think understood? Okay. Right. Let us see this side. This side addition concept completed based on this when E is considered 0. Let us go with the E value 1. That means under multiplication concept C. So what is formula actually? A dot circle, A complement is equal to A complement dot circle, A is equal to E. Yes, same formula is written over there. But in case in that multiplication concept, that's why instead of dot circle I want to write into symbol. Here also I want to write into. And under multiplication concept, E value is considered 1. One is called multiplicative identity. This I want to discuss an identity property. I forgot that. That's why I am reminding to you. So that here E value is considered 1. I think understood. So to satisfy this, see, the product of two numbers is 1. Once again, A is one number, one rational number. A complement is another rational number. Their product should be 1. Nothing but A into A complement is equal to 1. In this, I want to say that A and A complements are called multiplicative inverse to each other. Inverse to each other. I think understood. Their product should be 1. So that reason A and A complements are called multiplicative inverse to each other. Another name of the multiplicative inverse to each other is reciprocal. Once again I want to say A into A complement is equal to 1 no. So that reason A and A complements are called multiplicative inverse to each other, or else A and A complements are called reciprocals to each other. Note, multiplicative inverse and reciprocal both are equal only. Okay. Some few questions about this. Suppose I want to give few examples based on this. Suppose 2 by 3 there, 3 by 2 there. See, while multiplying both we will get 1 more. So that reason 2 by 3, 3 by 2 are called multiplicative inverse to each other. One more example I want to say. Minus 1, minus 1. See, minus 1, minus 1. If you multiply both, your result is 1. So that reason minus 1 and minus 1 are called reciprocal to each other. One more example. Careful observe. 1 and 1. If you multiply this both, your result is 1. So that reason 1 and 1 are called reciprocal to each other. Next. Minus 3 by 4. Now minus 4 by 3. This one observe. Minus 3 by 4 into minus 4 by 3. Minus into minus become plus, 3 cancel, 4 cancel when we are doing multiplication. However, their product is 1. So that reason these two are called reciprocal to each other or multiplicative inverse to each other. Now my questions are the multiplicative inverse of 1, tell me. The multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 only. Next question. The multiplicative inverse of minus 1, tell me. The multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 only. Next question. The multiplicative inverse of 0. The multiplicative inverse of 0. See, to fill this answer, we have to go this concept. Now, a into a complement is equal to 1. But the number which is given, that is 0, you consider as a. In case of a, you substitute 0. 0 into a complement is equal to 1. Now a complement is equal to 1 by 0. That is not defined. Nothing but very easy that the multiplicative inverse of 0 is not defined. This is the small reason. This is the small reason why the multiplicative inverse of 0 is not defined. These are special details about inverse property. Why? Because see, observe, in competitive exam many questions comes from this main topic, this mainly inverse property. So I think you got very clear about this. If you have any doubt, you share your doubts in my comment box. I can reply definitely. And if you are interested in my videos, you share my videos to some your relatives or whoever, friends, whatever that, and like my video and subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get direct notification from me. Okay na? Right. Bye.